Hello everyone, welcome to Mewadus digital channel. We have questions here to solve from NECO past question, the NECO 2022 objective questions. Here is the question one. Let's begin. Surely, Koli. Question one says, express 0.030752 to three significant figures. I have this option here. Now we are asked to express 0.0030752 to three significant figure. Now, if we look at this number now, here is our first significant figure, first. Here is second, and here is third. That means we are going to have 0.00307. But before we write this as a final answer, I check the next number we have here, 5. See the number we round up or we round down? We round up. Now it becomes 1. So we add to this 7. It becomes 8. So here we have 0.038, and that is option C is the answer here. Surely, Kole.